Kings of Crunch, Series 4, Bigfoot, the 1974 F-250. Hello and welcome back to my channel of Monster Truck Classics. We are going to take a look at the Greenlight Collectibles of this Bigfoot #1. I'm going to unbox it, but I'm going to go back in time just a little bit to show you. This one came out first, was on Bigfoot with the 48-inch tires. These are all limited edition Greenlight Collectibles, and up above is actually the little exclusive detail that they did on this one, on the box. But also, since this one, the first one that was in the series with Bigfoot was the mud version, or they call it the dirty version. And then those are the trucks on the back if you want to pause it and take a look at those in Series 1. Series 3 was the Midwest four-wheel drive center. I do have the ones on the 10 feet tall tires. I just didn't bring it all into this video. I did change my mind and I wanted to bring in the Bigfoot 5 that was on the back of the box that said that was in Series 4. So this is the Bigfoot 5 with the 10 feet tall tires. It looks awesome. So that is the version that was in Series 4. I wanted to show you this. This is a chase piece whenever it's green like that. The body is green. So this is Bigfoot 1 on the 66-inch tall tires. The chase piece, got this one from Grandpa's die cast, and so Series 4. So let's go ahead and unbox the Bigfoot #1. Here is Bigfoot. Let's start on the side of the truck first of all. A nice blue Ford Bigfoot. They did a really good job of incorporating what was on the truck onto the body of this die-cast vehicle. You got the Firestone tires, and then the name of the truck, the original monster truck, Bigfoot 4x4x4. There's a Summit Racing Equipment little sticker here on the side of the hood. You got the motor popping out. Let's go ahead, take a look at the front of the truck. You got KC lights, you got a wrench in the front. Also, nice lights design and grille that they did. Underneath then, under here they have a Bigfoot 4x4x4. Hopefully you see that. It's hard to get this in a focus. But let's go ahead and turn it to the other side so you can see it. Of course it's the same thing, but you got the roll bar, you got the lights on top of the roll bar. On the back of the truck you have the website of Bigfoot, and then you have the Midwest four-wheel drive license plate also. And then on each Bigfoot, it seems like on the Kings of Crunch they come with a toolbox, and I believe those are batteries also. So let's go ahead, and I wanted to show you the dirty version, they call it. I like to call it the mud version of Bigfoot. The tires are all in mud, all brown. The wheels are brown. Also, the chassis underneath, you can tell, is all brown to give it that mud, down and dirty in the mud. Kind of reminds me of back in Battle of the Monster Trucks VHS when Bigfoot went against USA #1 in the car crushing and mud bog. On the truck too, there's different areas where the mud is on the body of the truck. You can see down here below, on top of the hood of the truck, in front a little bit. Back here is a little bit mud on the back panel of Bigfoot. And if you can see real gently there is some mud on this side of the tailgate. And one of the things I also want to mention with the dirty version is that the windshield is a little bit lighter in color compared to the Bigfoot that I showed you just beforehand. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxings of the Kings of Crunch of Bigfoot 4x4x4, the original monster truck.